Alright, we're having taken out.
They have me spinning it. Obviously, the coil is not going to exactly up.
Oh, wow.
But they have me spinning it, facing it this way. So this metal will actually be up here, obviously.
Oh, that's
I just
amazing.
kind of have it as like a rough spot.
Okay.
And then as far as the return goes, it kind of sit in.
Oh, wow.
What side?
That is so cool.
It's going to be a 16 by 25 by 1.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And I have a magnet that's going to go over that so you don't have the hole just exposed.
Okay.
So you'll just take off the magnet and put the filter right in the middle right there. Obviously, I'm going to be redoing some gas and some electrical, so all this won't be in your way.
Yeah, I know.
But as like a rough like
This is
estimate, this would be kind of how it would look like.
Nice. Let's go outside and see how the air is coming along. Okay. It's a really strong skunk over here.
Yeah, I know. I smelled them earlier.
And no, I still smell it. Oh, wow. It's even over further than I thought it would be.
Yeah, it's in a good spot.
Oh, wow. It's great. Hi. Oh, this is the Lennox one. That's our AC unit. Oh, so excited to have air. It gets really hot here. All right, guys. I think this is like the 20-year rule with this house, is that a lot of the major work, including the roof, was like 20 years. So, but you can see like inside how clean it is. Like, I mean, they were super duper clean people. Like, you can't even knock it. And if you look at it, inside, it's like not even that bad. And this, I think, was called, I'm not even sure now. I don't know what they do. They just scrap it or what. But yeah, this is pretty old. Now I'm curious about the name. You know how you get a name in your head and then you're like, I knew what it was called, but now I don't know, and then it starts bothering you. But yeah, very clean for 20 years old. Let's see here if it was Laverne, Tennessee. I'm not sure, but I did look it up, and it was like 1996.